Sir, this is the time set for your initial appearance. I'm seeing you today on felony charges of possession of narcotic drugs for sale, 2 counts, possession of dangerous drugs for sale, possession of a firearm in drug offense, possession of deadly weapon by purpose possessor, 11 counts, and unlawful flight from law enforcement. You're presumed innocent. I'm sorry, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed for you. I am appointing the Pima County Legal Defender's Office to represent you, and you have counsel seated next to you for purposes of today's proceedings. I've reviewed and considered information provided by pretrial services as well as the interim complaint. The state is requesting $250,000 on a bond. Mr. Poston, anything further to add?
Yes, Your Honor. The state would like to impress upon the court the seriousness of all of these allegations. After an unlawful flight and pursuant to a lawfully obtained warrant, police discovered, well, prior to the warrants, 388 blues on his person. A warrant search yielded 500,000 plus blues, totaling over 62 kilos, 2 kilos plus of cocaine, 16 grams plus of meth, and 11 firearms. These are absolutely astronomical amounts, Your Honor, and the state has every reason to believe this person is going to be quite a flight risk. He has prior felony convictions, including almost a decade in the Arizona Department of Corrections. $250,000, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Poston. Counsel?
Thank you, Judge. We're going to ask for a $50,000 bond in this matter. Mr. Breen has lived in Tucson for 19 years, and his father was able to verify his address.
Thank you. Due to the nature of the offenses, the large quantity of drugs found in this case, the alleged flight, as well as the prior criminal history and prior failures to appear, I do believe a high bond is appropriate in this case. I'm going to order a bond of $150,000, cash or secured, if posted to pretrial services. Do not drive without a valid driver's license, no alcohol, drugs, no firearms or weapons, monitoring or treatment as directed by pretrial. Sir, your next court date is going to be February 13th, 2025 at 1:30 p.m. That's a preliminary hearing. That date may or may not go, so make sure you keep in contact with your attorney. Your attorney's information will be on the order you get today. Your order to appear at that hearing or any future scheduled hearings, if you do not appear, a warrant may issue for your arrest if you post bond. You understand?
Yeah.
All right, thank you. You're excused.
Green.